YouTube. I've got this Turf Blazer 727 mower. It's two-wheel drive, hydrostatic drive. It's got a 32 horse Yanmar diesel. Needs a muffler, it's really loud. Needs 4 tires. That one's holding there for now. It actually has been holding there for a few days, but it's cracked and rotten and it's not going to last long. The other 3, they just go flat within minutes. It does run and drive. It starts sometimes. Well, it'll start every time if you hold back the fuel. See how it grabbed? The magnet is either weak or it's just got some crud on it, but it's going to be loud. And see, it lets back go again. It could be in the ignition switch. It could be in the ignition switch too, because it's real stiff. It may be trying to go back to the off position, but I don't know if them hours are correct. I highly doubt it, but you never know. Anyhow, it does have a PTO, which is just a massive mechanical contraption right here. And whenever you put the PTO in gear, it just moves that entire assembly over and tightens the belt and runs the front drive shaft, which I do not do right now because the front drive shaft is unhooked and it'll sling around until it breaks a U-joint or busts up something underneath the tractor. So I have it temporarily wired up. I would like to run something on it. I was told put a frame and mount a big generator up here, have like a little mobile generator, but I don't know. I could probably do that, but I'd rather do something else that's actually more functional than a generator I'd only use once a year. I thought about making some sort of a lift on the front or a crane, seeing as how most of the weight is behind the front axle. I don't know what kind of weight it would pick up, but I bet it would pick up a lot. But I need to get a muffler, the 4 tires, a seat, and either get that solenoid replaced or just take it off and clean it up. But anyways, leave me a comment below and give me some ideas of what I could do with this thing. If I get enough comments about the same thing, maybe I'll go ahead and do that. Y'all just decide for me. Otherwise, I don't know what in the world I'm going to do with it. But it's got a good running little engine. I hate to just scrap it. Anyhow, thanks, and we'll see y'all later.